Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear drum brakes on a Ford Focus, updated. Park the car on a flat surface and set the parking brake, then chock the front wheels. Loosen the rear lug nuts while the wheels still touch the ground. Lift the rear with a jack and secure both sides on stands. Always work safely and wear gloves and eye protection while gathering your tools and parts. Once the car is secure, remove the wheel and try to pull the drum straight off. If the drum is stuck, rotate the adjuster through the backing plate access to retract the shoes before pulling. Use a soft mallet to tap the drum gently if rust holds it in place, avoiding damage to the wheel. Lay out the removed parts in order so reassembly is straightforward and organized for the next steps. With the drum off, carefully remove the return springs and hold-down clips using the proper tools to avoid sudden snaps. Inspect the wheel cylinder for leaks and replace it if you see fluid or corrosion. Swap in new shoes and all hardware and apply small amounts of high-temp grease to contact points on the backing plate to reduce noise. Double-check the adjuster moves freely before fitting the drum back on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.